Welcome everybody, we're still at the ScrewFix Live 2025. Now, as I've said earlier, I'm trying to do stands individually so we can do an actual individual video per stand. That way, if anybody's Googling or searching certain products, they can find it probably a little bit easier. Now, the product we're going to be talking about today takes no introduction. You've seen it on my channel a few times, I've mentioned it very many times, and my local rep is Aidan. Well, that's covering the Midlands. We're actually down south. We're down near London. So Aidan's not available to speak to me today, but I've got the lovely Owen, who's got all the product knowledge we need about Osmo products, and he's going to talk us through what they've got on the stand today. Now, it has gone a little bit quieter, so hopefully we're not going to get bombarded by any students from any colleges coming around wanting to know what I'm going to be asking Owen. So we're going to do a 3, 2, 1. Over to Owen. It's in your capable hands, young man. Tell us what you've got.
I'm here showcasing the Osmo. We've got the interior UV protection oil, along with the PolyX and the top oil and door oil that ScrewFix have here. We're here showcasing the natural tints that we've got, all natural ingredients, interior, exterior, your natural wood needs. So, yeah.
What's special about your products compared to anybody else's?
So we're naturally based, like I said, a combination of oils and waxes. This gives you a happy balance of water protection, as well as safer animals, pets, children's toys and stuff like that as well. Yeah, for multiple wooden surfaces, we penetrate the wood, protecting it from the inside out rather than sitting on top and creating layers. So this won't give you any sort of flaking or peeling over time. This will just, give you a nice, easy, nice finish. So,
yeah. Do you want to show us some of the wood stain available that you've got?
Yep. So this is our UV protection oil range, kind of like sun cream for wood, I guess. The darker pigment you go, the more protection you get. These are all the colours that we've got available in this range. We have also got the PolyX Oil Original as well. Similar sort of thing, all natural tones. These are mainly designed for the wooden floors, but they can be used many wooden surfaces inside.
This is what I've done a video on in my own house over oak. I clean it down with ordinary soap and water, dry it all off, give it a light sand if it needs it, but normally it's just a refresh coat. That I just put a fresh coat on every couple of years.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Yeah, spot on.
And then we've got top oil, which is for what?
Yeah, top oil. So this is for any sort of food safe surfaces that you need. It's got the food safe certificate. So this is mainly for your worktops, your tabletops, even chopping boards and stuff like that as well. So.
I'm just looking at door oil because people go on about door oil.
Yeah, so...
Is this a specialist product for doors instead of just using what we'd say PolyX oil? Is door oil the one to go for?
Yeah, so your PolyX is more for your solid wood doors, whereas when it comes to the door oil, this is more for like veneered doors. It's a higher wax content, so it doesn't penetrate as deep. That means it stops any sort of delamination happening, and that's kind of where we developed this product for. So.
That's great.
I think also something to speak about is our app.
Oh, sorry, say that again. I didn't say that.
Sorry, something to speak about as well is our app. This is kind of good to help the everyday user of Osmo that maybe isn't comfortable with what is suitable out there for their surface. It'll ask you a variation of questions and recommend the best product for you. Not only that, but it'll also recommend all your maintenance side of things as well, how to apply the product and stuff like that as well.
That's it. If I just zoom in on that.
Yep.
If we can get the QR code, if anybody wants to just scan it, they can do it off the screen, all being well. Failing that, Google search it, and you'll find it in the Apple Play Store and Google Play Store as well.
Osmo recommends.
Lovely. Thank you very much, Owen. That was great. Thank you.
Take care.